Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection disconnect automatically problem on Android. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Go back and again open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on connection and sharing, scroll down, tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth connection. Tap on reset setting. Reset your Bluetooth connection. It helps to fix Bluetooth connection disconnect automatically problem. Step 2. Again open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on service and feedback, tap on submit feedback, again tap on select item, search Bluetooth connection, tap on Bluetooth. You can choose your problem, Bluetooth disconnect automatically. You can briefly explain your problem and send to feedback. You can follow all of the steps to fix Bluetooth connection disconnect automatically problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.